Okay. Okay, go get the tarps that you guys use. There's no roof on that house. Hey everybody, welcome to the ranch. It's loud here. So it's kind of late in the day, and I'm kind of doing this video a little backwards here. It is beautiful. You can hear, you can see it's clear, but it's kind of not. We've had storms, like really crazy storms all day, and it's about to gear up for another storm, so I want to take you outside and show you what some of that happened this morning. We had some tornado warnings on us this morning, and it got really hairy for a little bit there. We had not nearly as much damage as a lot of our friends have, so let me show you a little bit about what's going on here. I can show you a little bit. If you look, you can see another storm is rolling in. So she's got a roof on the ground. Hi, Mama. Looks like it collapsed on her. Hey there, baby. How are you doing? How you doing? You okay? Yeah. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. All right. So we could always just tarp up right here on the side and just leave this right here for now.
This is all so sick all the way in. You're not going to be able to get it. This is going to be our not to sit.
Did we not put 2x4s up there? Right across the carpet?
You can lay right here. I mean, even this is kind of...
Yeah, it's true. If you open it up, she could lay right under there.
Maybe we can put a tarp right here.
Grab that. If you grab that and put it on top, and then put the top on top that.
Yeah.
Now,
We're gonna be careful with that.
This is bad, guys. There's a second storm coming in. There's damage everywhere. The boys are working on trying to put some temporary shelter up for her to keep some of the rain off of her, because it's kind of chilly as well.
you want to get better?
So they're just trying to give her a little bit of shelter.
Well, I have a bit from the wire.
Oh, okay. Okay, Sam. I got as much as we can.
Over here. Come on.
Trying to give her a shelter so she can go through.
I don't know how we're going to get that out.
No,
I'm telling you, we had to have had a minor tornado because the way the wind was looking, the rain was...
Go ahead, give it to him. Just put him back by the water. You fixing to feed everybody now.
He blends in very well. I wouldn't have seen him if he wouldn't have moved.
All right, guys, let's be honest. We all feel like life can be overwhelming at times. We can get through our day and still feel like it's never ending. And honestly, that's where our sponsor, BetterHelp, really can come in handy. Let me explain. Our animals need us, our kids need us, our husbands or wives need us, our family needs us, our friends need us. Our chore list is literally a mile long. Sometimes we don't even feel like making dinner for ourselves because things can just feel overwhelming, stressful. You don't even want to do your favorite hobby anymore. Whatever it is, sometimes even hanging out with friends and family just doesn't feel like the best option. This is where BetterHelp will come in handy. See, BetterHelp's going to connect you with a licensed therapist who's trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. It's super easy. Here's how. First, you go to their site. You can use my link, betterhelp.com/BlandsRanch. You answer a few questions, and then BetterHelp is going to match you up with a professional who's had years of experience helping people with struggles just like yours and mine. You'll be matched to a therapist usually within 48 hours, so you can get started fast. You can do it all from your phone or a computer, via phone call, video chat, or even messaging. Whatever makes you feel the most comfortable, it's literally the easiest possible way to start talking to a therapist. Let BetterHelp connect you to someone, a therapist who can support you all from the comfort of your own home, or maybe from the comfort of your backyard. Visit BetterHelp.com/Bland's Ranch or choose Bland's Promised Land Ranch during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. And now, back to our video.
I don't know if they snapped. Let's go over and look then. So these are brand new poles. And it looks like they are completely bent. Now the storm, just for reference, came from that way. So these are brand new poles. Hey Jonathan, you know the storm came from that way, right?
Yeah.
So these are bent the opposite way you would expect.
Yeah, I told you. The rain was coming from this way and then it stopped. One way it was going
Okay. Oh, we got some hanging tree branches up here. Did it snap all the way? Oh, it snapped the other way. It's in the tree. You see what Dad was saying? It snapped into the tree. So that may get loosened up later. Our sign is completely gone and on the ground. That was just snapped off of there. It hit this tree. This is where it landed. It just shredded the bark off of our peach tree.
That's screwed into it. It's supposed to be anyway.
I just ripped it right from the screws. Oh, it's really damaged too. So it landed in the peach tree. Did the tree branch fall yet, Jonathan? Oh, it did. That's a lot of damage up there. Yeah. Lightning, yeah. That's a lot of damage. Dad was saying these are still up in the trees, so you need to be really careful when you come out here. Over here too, look. There's branches all along the edge. And there's our little pen for our babies. This is mild. This is mild compared to what they got down in Terrell. We're very fortunate. Let's see if we can pull these branches off the fence. I just want to make sure the fence wasn't damaged. That tree is just down completely. Wow. It's almost like this tree just split in half. You need to come walk this way to pull it. I agree. Wow. And then this one right here was what looks like it broke chunks of this morning. Well, there's no fence damage, and that's good. That's what I was wondering.
Staring at him.
Titus, did you get in the water? Look at the storm coming in. You can hear the thunder. Yeah. All right. Let's head back.
The 3 different what?
Look at the rain coming in.
Are you talking about like the tree line?
All right, guys, that's a wrap on my vlog for the day. This garden gives me a headache just looking at it. Anyway, I got cleaned up and showered. The boys are working on putting some hay in the pig pens, and we are trying to wrap up for the night. We still have plenty of things to clean up out front. There are still tree branches just hanging in that tree, and I'm sure that in the next 24 to 48 hours, we're going to get another storm or so in the next 2 days. And so I'm sure when that happens, that means those tree branches that are in those trees will probably end up falling. So stay tuned for follow-up and whatever else we do. We will see you here on the next video. Hey, who likes good weather days? Farmers' wives do. See you guys later. Bye.